Hey everybody, and welcome to Frankie's DIY Life. This is a channel where I just make stuff, upcycle, recycle, redo, anything to try to save $1 and to keep it out of the landfill at the same time. But today what I've got is this round tablecloth. And what I'm wanting to do is make one of these. Now, I get out of the tub a lot of times and I just throw this on and I'm done. So it's just something simple, something you'd probably like to make, something that's quick and easy to put on, especially like if you go to Florida or to the beach or somewhere where I have not been in a long time. But anyway, it's just good for around the house and what have you. So, like I said, I've got this round tablecloth and I am going to fold it in two, which I think I already had right here. So I've already folded it in two, and I'm going to spread it out on the table. I'm going to take this off, so I'll be right back, and I'm going to put it on here, mark it, cut it out, and try to make one. All right, so I folded it into two, then I folded it again, like this. And then what I'm trying to do is find my center. So now I know this is the center of my material. So I'm gonna mark that and then lay it back out. All right, I've got my dress laid out on top of the leopard tablecloth, round tablecloth, and I have this right here extra on the side. But see, this right here opens up, and this is already open, so I don't know if I'm gonna cut that off or not. I may leave that and see what it does, and then if I don't like it, then I can cut it off. So in this part right here, if I can get my camera steady, hold on just a sec. Okay, this piece right here, this is the neck, and so I am just going to cut me a V out of that, and it's open. I mean, for the armholes, and it starts right here and right here. Okay, my soap's getting chalky here. So what I'm going to do is cut this V out and cut a slit from here to here under the armpits. Now for this is the straps that go on it. So what I'm going to do is probably just make me some bias tape and use that, or I may just do a little tunnel and draw a string through it, but I don't know yet. All right, so I've got the V cut out, and then here is this is the neckline right here, and this right here is under the arm. So let me finish unpinning it. All right, so it's safe to say I did not cut enough. I was a little scared too, because it's better to not cut enough than cut too much. So I'm going to have to go back in and cut just a little bit more here under the arms, and then a little bit more right here so I can get it under my arm, because it's a little bit too snug. You don't want it snug. Anyway, I've got to take it back off, but trial and error. I'm doing it so you don't have to. I thought I was going to have to go across the street, get the neighbor to help me take it off. You should have seen it. That was pretty funny trying to get this off. Okay, Frankie's makeover dress, take two. Here we go. I am fixing to, what I've done is I laid this out more relaxed instead of up, fitting tight, which, this is my first time making one, so I'm going to make mistakes, but, if I show you how to do it, maybe you won't make a mistake. So anyway, I'm going to cut this out right here, and then the armholes are going down to here. So let me try it again. This is just trial and error, but anyway, I wanted to show you with my measuring little doohickey here. I don't know what you call this thing, but anyway, it measures about 6 inches this way and this way from my neck, and then also almost 6 inches, about 6.5, or no, 7 inches from the neck to the under the sleeves. So pretty much all that is just a round tablecloth, and it's for the small round table, folded in half, spread it out, cut you 6 inches right down the middle, after you find your center, and then 7 inches from where you cut the neck down to here. If that makes any sense. I don't know. I'm going to take it to my serging machine, and I'm fixing to serge it around the neck, and then that way I'll be able to fold it over and give it a hem, and I'll also just serge straight through here and for the underarms, and then I can fold that over and make a hem, and then I can figure out what I need to do with the straps. Okay, so this time it fits much better. See, it's more looser right here. And so now, once I get the straps on, it'll bring it up like this right here. I think we're on to something. Okay, here's my thinking. So I went ahead and serged it like I said I did, so it'd get rid of all the fray edges. And this is under the arm, so I'm just going to fold it under, run me a seam, and then that'll finish off up and under my arms. For my neck, which is right here, I've got this bias tape, and what I'm gonna do, I measured from here to here, which is the straps, and let's see, I folded this into this bias tape, and it's about as long as these straps. So I'm going to start in the back. I don't think this don't have a front and a back, but anyway, just pretend this is the back. I'm just going to start right here, go up as far as this is, which I have to get my little measuring thing out again. So this will be my strap, and then I'll go down the back, and then this will be my strap again. So that's my thinking. Let me see if it works. All right, so what I done, like I said, is I measured the straps from the very tip of it, and it was like 5 inches. So I started right just below the back side. I'm gonna call it the back side, which I don't know if it has the front or the back. But anyway, I went all the way around. When I got to the edge right here, I measured out the same thing, 5 inches. And then I went all the way around. When I got to this side, I measured 5 inches. And so I've got this, barely had enough, so I got about a thumb's worth, I guess. I'm gonna have to cut off, and then I will, ow, ooh, that hurt, go all the way around. I'll have to go get a Band-Aid now. Okay, so I've got that sewed on. I just sewed it all the way around. Then when I got to the end of it, I just folded it back. Where is the end? See, it's pretty good. You can't even see where the end's at. Right here. Okay, I just folded it over, folded it under, and then just kept sewing over the top of it. I will say, though, I had brown thread in my machine over there, but I wasn't thinking that my bobbin, I forgot to change my bobbin, so it's got white thread right there, which I'm not crazy about that, but hey, it's under the arm. I'm not going to take it out and redo it because I'm just wearing it around the house and stuff. But let me try it on, see what it looks like. I probably should have tried it on before I sewed it. All right, I'm ready for the beach. If I can get somebody to take me or go with me, I don't know. Maybe my friends will holler at me. But anyway, I like it. It turned out real nice. See, under the arms, there's the back, and it's real flowy, see? So anybody can make one of these. I mean, get yourself a tablecloth. Now, this is comfortable. So I've got a square tablecloth. I think I'm gonna try to make me one out of that and see how it goes. So I wonder, should I add some pockets to it? Do you think I should pockets or no? I don't know. I could just put them on the front, but I think it's so blousy that they would probably get covered up. You wouldn't see it. Or maybe I could just add one. I don't know. But let me know what you think. There's my little bias tape all the way around. Don't pay no attention to the arms. Here we go. Okay, so like I said, you know, it can make a good cover up for the beach, over your bathing suit, or you know, just popping out of the shower, throw something on, or you could even wear it out, put your necklace on, dress it up. I mean, who knows? I do have a square tablecloth, and I'm thinking I want to try that. and see how that works. But the next time, I think, you know, I learned a lesson about I cut too little, and it was too little. You cut a little bit more. But the next armhole, I think I will take up just maybe a half an inch, you know, I guess. I don't know. I just thought I'd put it on Sally B and let you look at it, see what it looks like on her, even though she don't have no arms. It's still, you can see where it comes to. Let me turn it around to the back, which looks just like the front. And there's the back. I was going to show you this, like from the neck front to the neck back, it makes like this long, just square-like. So I think that'd be easy to make out of a square one. And also, it just depends on how you fold it. Now, if you fold it from under the arm to under the arm, it makes it a little shorter. So, just all depend on how you fold it. But I will try to make another one out of that tablecloth and see how it goes. Listen, this is Frankie's DIY Life after retirement. I appreciate you watching. I appreciate everybody. And if you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button, that like button. We're always doing something here. And until next time, God bless you and God bless your family.